All right, folks, so taking a look at some of the questions that you are asking at home. And here's a question from one of our viewers. What food should I avoid to help control diverticulitis flare-ups?
So diverticulitis is a very common infection that can happen in the bowel. It's often presented as acute or sudden left lower quadrant pain. That's how you usually know to test for it, which involves a CAT scan. So what foods should you eat to avoid it? And when I'm diagnosing diverticulitis, it often involves treatment with an antibiotic, and that patient can go home. But some recommendations: keep your food group small. That's when you want to eat 5 to 6 meals a day. You want to slowly amp up that fiber. We often talk about having a lot of fiber, but after an infection, you want to give your bowels a break. And then avoiding raw vegetables, raw fruits. At the end of the day, you want to give your bowel a break to transition back to its healthy state.
Yeah, too much fiber at once is never good.
You're absolutely right.
Your prescription for wellness.
It's about how to find a second opinion. As an emergency physician, when I'm discharging or helping a patient get out of the emergency room, I always inform them, I'd rather be wrong and you be healthy. So I always give tips about how to find a second opinion, especially if you're conflicting with your primary doctor. So here are some tips where everyone can start. The first thing you can do is, number one, ask your friends and your family if they have the same condition. That's one of those easy ways where you can connect to providers who are competent and comfortable treating it. Also, call your insurance provider and get a list of approved doctors. This helps you to stay in network, or you can contact your employer's health plan administrator. And then lastly, contact your local medical society. You can look at the American Medical Directory, the Directory of American Specialists, or other professional directories online, or you can even check with your local library. This can give you options, especially if you're finding that it's difficult to find that provider.
And make it happen in other areas of your life. A second opinion helps. Relationships, finances, all of that.
Giving life advice here. Yes, absolutely.
Get a second opinion. Unofficial Dr.
Everywhere.
DeMarco. I'm joking. Doc, thank you. We appreciate it. And folks, we would love to hear from you. So please hit us up on Instagram with all of your medical questions for the real doctor, Dr. Darien at ABC GMA3.